Make sure I'm looking good.
This is keto setting up.
Okay. Dark soy. Do some egg noodle stir fry. Chicken egg noodle stir fry. It's easy. The ingredient we have. Well, I have egg noodles. The dry one you can soak in the hot water for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then it come like this. Yeah. So, and I have the sauce. I have pepper, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and soy sauce. Okay, this is only ingredient, simple ingredient. And the vegetable I have mushroom, carrots, red green pepper, on slide, bean sprout, spring onion, and coriander.
You're okay.
Okay.
You're okay.
So there's no right or wrong to do this stir fry. You can put any vegetable you like. You don't have to put the vegetable you don't like. Okay, it's no right or wrong. And you can put prawn, you can put chicken, you can put anything you want. Okay. For me, normally I like to marinate the chicken first, so that you can get more flavor out of it rather than plain chicken put in there. So normally I put like peppers in it, the one I'm going to cook, and a bit of oyster sauce in it, and a little bit of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and then soy sauce in that.
What's the difference between the two sizes of soy sauce?
Because the light soy sauce is just a flavor, and oyster sauce and the flavor of oyster sauce, and dark soy sauce is just color. You make it a bit darker.
Okay.
Okay, and then peppers, and then you just marinate them like that.
Right.
So, and then you can get more flavor out of it, rather than just put plain chicken. Everyone can see, yeah? Rather than put plain chicken. Normally, when you marinate, you leave it for half an hour, but because we don't have time, so we just going to start cooking straight away. So yeah, normally
It takes about 15 minutes.
yeah. But one important thing is, one of the tips that I prefer to slide everything thinner so it can cook quicker. Or like same thing as chicken as well. Yeah. So now, sorry, I'm gonna start the wok. One thing about the wok, you can leave it on the stove like this. It won't burn as long as you don't put the oil in. If you put the oil in and leave it like that, you will get fire.
Right.
So yeah, so just leave it. Make sure the wok is hot. So now what you do, just put the oil in. Wait, one thing to check if it's hot, you put your hand like that. You can feel the heat now. It's coming up very hot. Yeah, so yeah, I think that is ready. Okay, first thing, I just put the cooking oil in. Just make sure enough to cover the bottom. And you go like that, turning around like that. But again, talking about this, you have to know which ones cook first. First, I want to cook some chicken, and then pepper, and mushroom because it takes longer to cook. And carrot and bean sprout and spring onion, I will cook in the last minute after the noodles. Yeah? So now what I'm going to do is I wait. When it's getting hot, when the oil you see the smoke coming up. Yeah. So and then you can fill it up, and when you see the smoke coming, and then you put the chicken in. So you want to sear the chickens. Okay. So you just wait for a few minutes until you see like the heat's coming out. Yeah.
Have you got the gas on full or what?
Yes, you can have full or half. You can control
What
it.
have you
But for
got?
me, I put medium.
Medium.
Yeah, I'll put the medium. I don't want to put too full because otherwise it start burn very quickly. Yeah. Okay, and then you just wait for a few minutes. You can see the oil. Then you can see that the oil is waving up. So the menu is getting hot now. Yeah, you can feel like that. You can feel the heat. So now when the wok is quite hot, I mean you don't have to do with the wok. You can do with normal frying pan.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
So yeah, you don't have to.
The amount that
You don't have to go and buy
expensive.
expensive wok and start doing just only stir fry. Just normal frying pan, even a pot, whatever, is fine. So now I'm gonna do two times because one is going to be too much. So first thing I'm gonna put the chicken in. You have to stand back a little bit. You want to come out? Can you see okay there?
Yeah, I can see fine.
Yeah. So Yeah, you're going to put the chicken in. And see that seasoning. Alright, so
Have you got oil in there?
yes, I have. Yeah.
You won't wash him then, won't you?
I missed it for a minute.
So you just cook until the chicken is cooked, and then after that you're going to add some pepper and mushroom in.
So when the chicken is done, it changes colour, it goes dark?
Yes, it goes white. Yes, that's
Goes
right.
white.
Don't you ever cook chicken?
Look,
No,
Mr. Man. You don't ever cook chicken.
I've never cooked chicken. I've cooked burgers.
so you can see the different color. If you just put the chicken in,
My
it's no
mother did
color.
the chicken, not me.
We're now adding some
I
color.
wasn't allowed to touch that. That was holy.
So now, I think that now the chicken is cooked. So what I want to do is, I want to add some.
Keto, can you just tilt the pan so I can see the colour of the chicken?
Okay, you see?
Okay, gotcha.
going
And browned, a little bit brown. as well.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
right.
okay.
But if you just put normal chicken in, it won't go brown.
Okay.
It just go white.
Okay.
So add least a bit of color. So now I'm going to put my pepper because pepper take longer to cook.
Watch it,
Yeah.
watch it. Brilliant. You put the chicken in. That takes so long to cook.
Put half of that. And then I'm going to put the mushroom in. Because they take a
He's
bit
going to do
longer
two
to cook.
batches, Ken, so he's not going to
Not the fire.
So then
Take the skin.
again, and the vegetable is, some people like it like a dense. I half cooked, some people like very cooked. You know,
Right.
depends what you want. So if you want very soft.
Depends on who you got teeth.
Yes. So because it's going to take some time because this is not a stove that we normally cook in a wok. If you see like in the Chinese shop, they have very high heat. You can see the flame come up on the side, so that make them cook faster. Yeah. But this one is going to take some time because it's a whole cooker. Any question so far?
No.
Yes. Okay. So you just cook vegetable. A little bit more. That's why you see I don't want to cook all of it at the same time. The wok is not.
No, it's not big enough.
Yeah, it's not big
too
enough.
much, it's too much.
Yes, and also the heat is not strong enough to cook it quickly.
Where do you put the stuff that you cooked? You put it in the oven, so
No,
what are you going to do with it once you cook
Once
it?
you cook it, you
Sorry?
serve it.
Well, have you got plates to put it on?
Yes.
Yes, we've got
It's
plates.
going to serve it.
They have
cook it all in
here
one.
already.
No, it's two lots of
So
it.
after we done it.
It's going to do two sets because the wok won't take it all.
Yeah.
So you'll get a chance to see it all over
See, I
again.
mean, it's very-
Sorry,
it's
we have to
very
wait a
fresh,
bit
it's
longer
good.
because we have to wait until the peppers cook.
Can I just mention something here, Keto?
Yes.
There's been some recent studies on using oils for things like cooking where it gets very hot.
Yes.
And they reckon the worst one of the lot is sunflower oil.
Yeah, I reckon
Because
Okay.
it changes to dangerous chemicals.
Yes.
You have to have an oil which is very high in monounsaturates. And the best of the lot is rapeseed oil.
Oh, yes.
Rapeseed oil, but
Yes.
not sunflower. Sunflower is very
You've
bad.
got sunflower
okay.
there.
We've got sunflower.
We got sunflower.
We've got sunflower.
Because
Well, I mean,
It's
I
very
thought I'd
bad
just
for us.
mention that.
It's very
Yeah.
bad.
This is some
It's very
recent
bad for us.
studies,
Okay.
and they, they're very definite about it.
We can always learn.
yes, that's good recommendation. But for me, like any oil, but that's
Yeah.
good recommendation.
What about olive oil? Is that
Olive oil is good as well.
Right, I think it's,
Olive
Shall I tell you
oil.
the
it's
best
just
of the
about
lot?
right now.
Lard.
Yeah, just about right
Because,
now.
because you can heat it. You can heat it to a very high temperature.
It's animals.
Just like you
They
do
won't
with
eat it.
chicken.
They won't eat it.
Not
Anything from
vegans,
animals, they won't.
Yeah, if you're a vegan, it's
Yeah,
a bit of a
but
problem.
quarter of the people are going vegan.
Definitely not for vegan.
Cooked in lard.
Not for vegan.
No, not
No,
for vegan.
definitely not for vegan.
Keto.
Right, can
Got a
you see
question,
okay
got a
now?
question for it. Yeah, I can see fine. How long does it normally take to cook a meal like this?
Well, for
You say
me,
no. You're saying using this gas.
Yes.
How long is it going to take you to actually finish one meal?
yeah, probably about
You won't eat
10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
But again, we cook here, let's say about 5 portions here.
Yeah.
So normally when I cook at home, only one portion is quicker. Maybe
Okay.
like 5 minutes. If you just
I just think
one
a lot of
person.
people are going to looking very hungry.
Okay, so next one now, I'm going to add some noodle. Now, I think the vegetable is cooked now. So just add some noodles in. I will put half of this in. Okay, then you add some
You
noodles.
haven't put the onions in, have you?
Yeah, just wait for the last minute.
They're fresh.
Because they are very quickly cooked.
Yeah, they don't need.
Yeah, so, and then after that, I just put the sauce in straight away. Oyster sauce. But,
It's got quite a lot of sauce.
yeah,
Quite a
don't
lot
put
of,
too much, right? They are very salty.
Yeah.
And a bit of soy sauce.
So you don't put salt in, you use the salt
Yeah,
instead.
but always taste. And this is dark soy sauce, just a bit of color. Okay, maybe a bit of pepper as well.
And of course, no water. No need for
That's all right.
No, so you don't put,
Sorry?
I know you don't put salt.
Oh, and also you soak the
So now it become very, for me, if I cook at home, I have lay out all the vegetable like this.
very good.
Everyone cook themselves in my house.
So how many people in your house?
Well, normally I invite them about like 5 people the max to my
right.
house.
And they do
And then I
themselves?
lay out the vegetable
Yeah.
and like I have chicken, I have prawn,
Right.
I have different type of meats.
So
Yeah,
make-
and
make
then
their
they
own
can choose
selection.
themselves.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now it's almost done. And you can see that it looks very nice.
Oh
Very
yes,
nice.
it looks,
Yeah.
it looks like it's cooked.
But I need someone to taste it. Anyone can taste? Come and taste it. What we need, sometimes you taste it, you need like a bit of more oyster sauce
Yeah,
or
yeah,
meat sauce or
just to see
whatever.
what it's like.
To see what it's like.
Have you got a spoon or what?
Vinny,
Something to actually.
I would like you to be taster. And see if we need anything else. You need soy sauce, oyster sauce or whatever. Can I taste one as well? Give one fork for me.
Yeah.
No, that's normal noodles. Let me have a taste. See what. Anyone want to taste?
Tastes nice.
I think we need a bit of oyster sauce.
Oh, blimey.
Nice as oyster
At
sauce.
least it's showing brown, that's the one that's on top.
Yep. I think we need a bit of oyster sauce. Yeah, should be okay now. I put
How is it, Rini?
Nice.
Needs a little bit of salt, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah.
Not oversalt on it.
Yeah. And then you can add some more when you're on your plates. Yeah.
Okay.
You can add any more.
Okay. No, look at it, look. Oh, look at it, look.
Other way. Yeah, that's it.
Good on you.
Right. Okay. Now it's nearly cooked. I need to add my carrots because they are last minute and beans brown.
I used to love Ben.
Yeah. Because they cook very quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just stir fry and that's it. And spring onion.
What's the
Okay.
other one? What's the other one?
Coriander. You can add a little bit of coriander in. Okay, because they are cooked very quick, so you put in last minute. Yeah,
Do you mean coriander?
yeah, coriander,
Okay.
carrot, beans brown.
Okay.
You can put in the last minute. Oh, I forgot to take this one out. It's too hot now.
So I can bung them all in the bowl.
I need a tissue. Sorry, give me one tissue there. Sorry.
I've been through that one before.
He's made quite a lot here, isn't he?
That's for 5 people.
It's good. Working hard.
Doing well, Keto.
Hot working.
Okay, so what we do, we just stir them up. Now we're going to put on. 1 second.
That's it.
Yeah, it does get hot. So let's make them up properly. Okay, now we're gonna put them on the plate. There you go.
Oh, I'm going to put some plates here.
No.
Here you go, I was going to do plates on here.
Yeah, but you've got to do another batch.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
we're doing another batch.
You've got some stuck to the outside, Keto.
Okay, so they